friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing extremely good. So I guess you've already read the title and already saw the thumbnail. This video is about so this video is about the trophy which I got for the language which I adore the most after my native language, after my mother tongue, of course. So yeah, I did get a trophy for German. If you're not new on my channel, you already know that I studied A1 from DU, University of Delhi. I completed my A1 from there, and there your girl got a trophy. Yeah, because the trophy says academic excellence in German. So one day I was just sitting in my home. I completed my A1, and also I did it with my undergraduation. I don't know why I always say that. So one day a letter came in my house saying that Miss Isha Kapil, though I still have that letter, that Miss Isha Kapil has been awarded an award for academic excellence in German. And I was like, yay! And I had to go, मतलब उसके अगले दिन ही जाना था. So the plus point was the college from where I did it is very near. मतलब मेरे घर के बहुत पास है. So I did it from College of Vocational Studies. That was the annual day of the college, and I was not the part of the college as in full time because I used to study in some other college, but I completed my German from there. So I went there. Everyone else was there too. I knew no one, but still it was a very special moment for me, and I got the trophy. So here is the trophy, and actually I'm a sucker for trophies. I have few more in my room. I just don't know, I really feel so good, so proud when I have when I have the trophy. So yeah, I received the letter, I went there, I collected the trophy. Now I think that I should have vlogged that moment because ऐसी memories बार बार नहीं आती, but then never mind, I'm making this video, maybe this will help. So if I start remembering the days for a fact that I'm not a German, I'm not a native speaker, I'm not a native German, so there were a lot of difficulties initially in the language. For example, you need to translate, you cannot translate word by word in German, and it used to be like so confusing. If you want to say I don't have time today, so you'll say heute habe ich keine Zeit, heute habe ich keine Zeit. So that literally means today have I no time, like if you translate word by word, and it doesn't make sense. So I used to be so confused initially, like kaise, but now it's super good because I guess that was the starting part. So there were a lot of struggles initially, but it was all worth it, I guess. Yeah, but I don't know why exactly, but my A1 takes a very special memory in my heart, in my whole German journey, because maybe there were friends, I made friends there. I still talk with a couple of people from there, so I had a great memory, remembering everything, you learning for the first time. I guess maybe this is with everyone, because the journey, the experience you gain in the initial phase, you'll not get it in afterwards, because baad mein to the language, right? So that is it. That's it for today. The only purpose was to show you this. Like I got this, and I got this for German. I'm really happy, and I really like it. I don't know why all my trophies look like this, like brown and golden. I don't know. Almost all. It's just one which is in brown, I guess. Otherwise, it's almost all golden. Even my school trophies and the trophies which I got in college also, that was the same. I don't know, maybe. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, do give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe my channel if you still have not. Till then, take care. Cheers.